Okay. Well, I'm on live. And then when I asked them, like, where's Tina? And then she, they know where you at. So I followed them.
Ano?
Where's Tina?
Oh.
Are you ready, Tina?
No ka rin daw, Ban?
Okay. Go find Tina. Go find Tina. Where's Tina?
Awo! Kaya katalidet ang...
Where's Tina?
Katalidet ang balay-dali akong kaya kanita, manang...
Oh, she's not even in her room.
Asalide.
They found Tina. They found you. They know where's your room. Yeah. Okay, come on. Come on. Go outside. Come on. You know what they do, Tina? Like, because you always close your bedroom door, right? This is where they stay to wait for you. Come here. I'll show you. It's like they're gonna sit right here. They sit right here on the floor and they're waiting for you. Whole time. Oh, where's Tina again? Go hide in the kitchen.
Where? In the kitchen? Hold it.
Yeah. Hey.
Hold it.
I am. Cody, come here. Cody. Cody, come here. Leah. Okay, let's wait for Tina. Stay, okay? Stay right there. Nope. Stay. Oh, Tina's hiding again.
Oh, doing the hide and seek.
Tina, are you ready?
Okay.
Where are you at? Okay, I think she's in the laundry.
In the laundry? Oh,
In the laundry?
yeah.
Okay. Go find Tina, come on. Where's Tina, Cody? Go get Tina. Come on.
Forget Tina. Forget Tina.
She's not in the refrigerator. Tina. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Where's Tina? They're looking on the top of the stove. Yeah, they found you. Give them a kiss, Tina. Give them a kiss.
And the cookies.
Kiss. That was good. Good dog. Good puppies. Come on. Oh, where's Tina again?
We go puppies.
Okay. Cody.